In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT to write better LinkedIn posts. If you want your LinkedIn content to feel clearer, more engaging, and more relevant to the people you're trying to reach, this process gives you a simple way to do it. The goal is not to let AI speak for you. The goal is to use it as a writing partner so your ideas come across faster and more effectively. Start by deciding what type of LinkedIn post you need. This matters because not every post should sound the same. Some posts are meant to build trust, some are meant to teach, and others are meant to share a perspective. Once you know the purpose, choose a format that fits. You might go with a personal story, an industry lesson, a checklist, an opinion post, or a short case study. Picking the format early makes the writing much easier. Next, tell ChatGPT about your profession and your target audience. Give enough context so the response matches your world. Then provide your main idea and include any real examples you want mentioned. Real details make a post feel more credible and less generic, so this part is worth doing carefully. After that, ask ChatGPT to produce several possible hooks. The opening line is important because it influences whether someone keeps reading. Once you see a few options, select the one that best matches your tone and message, then request a complete LinkedIn post built around that hook. As you do this, ask for short paragraphs that are easy to read on mobile devices. Since many LinkedIn users scroll on their phones, readability matters a lot. Dense blocks of text can cause people to skip even good content. Make sure the post includes a lesson or useful takeaway. Readers usually respond better when they leave with something practical, memorable, or applicable to their own work. If the first draft feels too generic, ask ChatGPT to create alternative versions. This is a smart way to compare angles and find a stronger voice without starting over from scratch. Once you have a promising draft, personalize it with your own wording and experience. This is the step that turns an AI-assisted post into your post. Before publishing, check that every factual statement is accurate. Accuracy protects your credibility and helps you avoid spreading incorrect information. Finally, add a small number of relevant hashtags when appropriate, and then publish the final post on LinkedIn. If you follow this process consistently, you'll create posts that are easier to write, easier to read, and much more likely to connect with the right audience.